Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. Here we've got a Fiat Ducato Motorhome that we fitted a KENWOOD radio in. Right, so we're now inside. Basically, this unit is the DMX5020DABS. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We've also fitted a reverse camera on this screen, so this can show you behind you. So basically what you've got is a AM FM radio with DAB, USB, Bluetooth calls, Bluetooth streaming. This is the DAB aerial up on the windscreen there. We've fitted some audio upgrades in there, so they're the tweeters, and we've also upgraded the woofers in the doors in the stock location, which makes this sound loads better. So I'll pop it in reverse, show you the image. As you can see there, it gives you a really clear view of behind the vehicle and works fantastic. So for further information on upgrading the audio system or the infotainment system in your motorhome, give the specialists at Source a call. Thank you.